Peroneal muscles atrophy. A 14-year-old girl presented with complaint of the progressive weakness of legs, progressive deformity of the feet, hand since age of the 4 year. On examination, claw, hand, foot drop and pace cavity deformity, deep tendon reflex absent, fine touch sensation diminished at lower extremity. Peroneal muscle atrophy in Charcot Marie tooth disease, genetically and clinically heterogeneous group of inherited disorder of the peripheral nerve system, characterized by the progressive loss of muscles tissue and touch sensation across various parts of the body. Prevalence 3.8 upon 1 lakh. It is transmitted as the autosomal dominant trait with 83% of expressivity. The 70p11.2 locus is the site of the abnormal gene, autosomal recessive X-linked type first. Cause caused by the mutation that cause if defected in neuronal protein. Nerve signals are conducted by an axon with a myelin sheet wrapped around it. Most mutation in CMT affected the myelin sheet, but some affect the axon. The most common cause of CMT 70 to 80% of the cases in the duplication of the large region of the chromosome 70p12 that include the genes PMP22. Some mutation affect F, some mutation the gene MFN2 for the mitochondrial protein. Neurons, Schwann cells, and fibroblasts work together to create working nerves. Schwann cells and neurons exchange molecular signals that regulate survival and differentiation. These signals are disrupted in CMT. Demyelinating Schwann cell cause abnormal axon structure and function. They may cause axon degeneration or they may simply cause axon to malfunction. The myelin sheet allows nerve cells to conduct signal faster. When the myelin sheet is damaged, nerve signals are slower and then this can be measured by a common neurological test, electromyography. When the axon is damaged, on the other hand, this result in a reduced compound muscles action potential. Classification: CMT is a result of genetic mutation in a number of genes. Based on the affected genes, CMT can be categorized into type and subtype. CMT first, demyelinating type 30% cause nerve demyelination, thereby impairing nerve conduction velocity. CMT2, axonal type 20 to 40%, mainly affected axon, tend to affected lower extremities more than upper extremities. Clinical symptoms are often less severe than in CMT first as it is an axonopathy. Average nerve conduction velocity is usually not affected. Clinical manifestation: most patients are symptomatic until late childhood or early adolescence, but young children sometimes manifested gait disturbance as early as the second years. Children with the disorder are often described by being clumsy, falling easily, or tripping over their own feet. The onset of symptoms may be delayed until after the fifth decade. Muscles of the anterior compartment of the lower legs become wasted and legs have a characteristic stroke-like counters. The muscles atrophy is accompanied by the progressive weakness of the dorsiflexion of the ankle and eventually the foot drop. The process is bilateral but may be slightly asymmetric. Pace cavus deformity invariable develop due to the degeneration of intrinsic foot muscles. Further destabilizes the gait. Atrophy of muscles of the forearm and hand is usually not as severe as than over the lower extremity, but in the advanced cases, contractures of the wrist finger produce a claw hand. Proximal muscles weakness is a late manifestation and usually mild. Axial muscles are not involved. Autonomic manifestation may be expressed as a poor vasomotor control with pallor of the skin of the feet and inappropriately cold feet. Sensory involvement mainly affected large myelinating nerve fiber that convey proprioceptive information and vibratory sense, but the threshold for pain and temperature may also increase. Laboratory finding and diagnosis motor and sensory nerve conduction, electromyography, muscle biopsy, nerve biopsy, and diagnostic. The definitive molecular genetic diagnosis may be made in blood. Treatment stabilizing of the ankle and primary concern in the early stages. Stiff boot, lightweight plastic splint, external short leg brace may be required when foot drop become completed. Surgical fusion of the ankle may be considered in some cases. The leg should be protected from traumatic injury. In advanced case, compression neuropathy during sleep may be prevented by placing soft pillow beneath or between the lower leg. During paresthesia of the feet are not common but are often abolished by the phantoin carbamazepine. No medical treatment available to arrest or slow the progression. Thank you.